This week, Arbor Biotechnologies raised $74 million to bring a CRISPR-based therapy into human trials. The target, a rare disease that starts in the liver, wrecks your kidneys, and currently has no easy fix. What Arbor is building isn't just a treatment, it might be a turning point for how we deliver gene editing inside the body. Let's break it down. Most people have never heard of primary hyperoxaluria type 1, or PH1 for short. It's rare, it's inherited, and it's brutal. In PH1, a single broken gene in the liver causes the body to make too much oxalate. That oxalate travels to the kidneys, crystallizes, and then causes kidney stones, pain, and eventually complete kidney failure if it's left untreated. So while the damage shows up in the kidneys, the problem actually starts in the liver, and that's the key. Arbor's lead program is called ABO-101. It's a gene editing therapy designed to go straight into the liver and permanently switch off that malfunctioning gene. The goal, fix the source and stop the disease at its origin. And this week, Arbor's $74 million raise gives Arbor the resources to move that therapy into, and hopefully through, phase 1-2 human trials. Now, editing human DNA inside the body is not simple. You need to get the editing tools into the right cells, and then you need to make a precise change, and then you need to get them out. If you hit the wrong gene, or if you trigger the immune system, you could actually make things worse. So how do they avoid that? Well, Arbor uses two pieces of custom tech. First, Arbor has developed a CRISPR enzyme, proprietary in-house, called Cas12i2. It's small, it's precise, and it cuts the DNA exactly at the spot that they tell it to. And second, a delivery system called lipid nanoparticles. Lipid nanoparticles are tiny, fat-based spheres that carry the CRISPR system into the liver cells. They've already been proven safe at a global scale thanks to the mRNA vaccine. So once the edit is made, inside in the cell, the components break down and they disappear. It's one dose, one edit, no viral vectors, no lingering hardware, and that's it. But Arbor isn't the only player here. You might remember a couple of weeks ago we talked about Yoltech Therapeutics. This is a biotech company based in China that's also targeting PH1 using a very similar strategy. Yoltech have their own proprietary Cas enzyme too, and they also deliver their treatment via lipid nanoparticles. And they just wrapped up phase 1-2 clinical trial with promising results. So the Chinese company is a little bit ahead of the American company on this one. This is shaping up to be quite the competition between two technically similar approaches on opposite sides of the globe. So, why does this week's funding raise matter? Well, now an American company is in the race alongside Yoltech. Maybe a little bit behind, but they're there and they're in the race. And now this isn't just a bet on one drug, it's a vote of confidence in Arbor's entire approach. Custom engineered enzymes, non-viral delivery, and safe, scalable in vivo gene editing. If this works for PH1, if they make this and it goes past phase 1-2 human trials, it could theoretically work on a lot more types of gene therapies that target the liver. So in summary, we've got a rare disease, a clean genetic target, a one-time fix, and a fresh $74 million to make it happen. This isn't just theoretical, this is where the field is going. If you want more smart biotech breakdowns with zero hype and maximum clarity, subscribe to this channel, The Precision Medicine Pulse. And if you got a question about how this tech works, drop them in the comments. We're here for the science. Ciao!